Hello, welcome back to Kind Finder channel. Today, we're going to show you how to add ringtones on your WhatsApp. But before that, please subscribe and turn on the notification. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, on WhatsApp, usually if you want to set a ringtone, there are some ringtones that you can choose as a call ringtone. You can tap on settings and notification. After that, you can tap on notification tone here or ringtone for call ringtone. There are some options just like this one and another one, but it's not your choice. It means it's really boring because you can't choose any ringtone that you want from your phone. Right? This is just the regular ringtones WhatsApp provides. So if you want to add more ringtone, you can follow the steps that I will show you. But first, let's go back. First, you have to go to My Files here. On internal storage, you have to make a folder. You have to create a folder. Here, create folder. You have to rename it into media. Yeah, media. Create media folder and open the folder, the media folder, and then create another folder and rename it ringtones. You have to rename it ringtones. Ringtones here. Okay, now you have a folder inside a folder. You have a ringtones folder on media folder. After that, you can choose any ringtones that you want to use as WhatsApp call ringtones. You can copy it from another folder like music folders, your own music or your favorite music here. Copy them and then go back to the folder that you have made. Go back to the ringtones folder and then paste the ringtones that you have copied before here. Now, let's see on WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp and check the notification. You can go to setting and also the notification here. Open call ringtones. As you can see, there are some music that you have added on the folder. Yeah, and also you can choose which song that you want to use as the ringtones, as the WhatsApp ringtones. It's easy and also simple, but you have to follow the steps carefully and don't forget to to rename the folder media and also ringtones. Okay, now let's go back. If you want to add more ringtones, you can copy it from any folders that you want. Let's try it one more time. I will open a folder that contains my favorite, just like maybe audio from my own voice here, from voice recorder maybe. So you can create a unique ringtones here. Just same like before, you can copy them and then paste on your ringtones folder that you have created before here. And I will add some audio files on voice recorder here. No, maybe you can choose another folder. It was empty. So you can choose here music, and as you can see there are some audio files here. You can choose one of them, or you can choose more than one audio files here. Okay, I choose an audio files, and I will paste them to the folder that I've created before, the ringtones folder. Or you can download any ringtones that you want from the internet. It's like maybe iPhone ringtones or any other ringtones, your favorite music or your favorite band or anything. Let's check on the settings and also notification. Let's see the ringtones that you have copied to your folder here. Okay, now you have added the ringtones that you want. This is the custom ringtones that you want. It's not the regular ringtones anymore, so it's not going to be bored to see or to hear your ringtones, WhatsApp ringtones. So guys, it's an easy trick and also simple to follow. You have to follow the steps that I've shown you before. So you have to open on your files and also create a folder, and you have to rename it media, and inside the media folder you have to create another folder and rename it into ringtones. And after that you can add music as much that you want, or songs that you want, your favorite songs, your favorite bands. You can use them as your ringtones, WhatsApp ringtones. So it's not going to be bored anymore hearing the old or the regular ringtones from WhatsApp. Okay guys, it was how to add ringtones on your WhatsApp. If you can also use that on WhatsApp Business, not only on a regular WhatsApp, standard WhatsApp, but you can also use it on WhatsApp Business here. As you can see, there are some songs that I've added on the ringtones folder. You can use it as well on the WhatsApp Business. Okay, that's all for today. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, let us know by commenting on our videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to support us by subscribing and also turning on the notification on KindFinder channel. Thank you and see you.